This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Fulton Hill. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow. This bungalow built in 1920, square footage coming in at 1984. This home is newly renovated, and it's definitely larger than it looks here from the street. Today is a Saturday, and I was just sitting at home relaxing. I had an early morning, and I was sitting in front of the computer, in and out of Facebook, and I think right before I saw this, I got to be honest with y'all, I had a little drool going on, and I woke up and I looked and I saw this listing on my screen, and I said, oh my goodness, somebody has done an amazing job here. It was posted by my realtor friend Leah Coleman and listed by Ricky Delgado. I've never met Ricky, but I gave him a call with EXP and I said, Ricky, you have got to let me go in and video this listing and bring it to my viewers. This is an amazing job that this rehabber did. And so he was kind enough to allow me to come out here and bring it to you. We are on about 1/3 of an acre. We've got a rectangular lot here, fenced on all sides. In the rear, we do have a 1-car detached garage, great for storage. It's actually big enough you could probably put a small vehicle in that garage. Wanted to show you something here from the rear. A good portion of this home is on the back side, and you might be able to see that the back section of the roof is relatively flat, not much of a pitch at all. And when we have that type of design, they will often use what we call rubber roof. Rubber roofs are very common in commercial applications. It's basically they take a roll that's probably about 3 to 4 feet wide, roll it out, and then use a torch to heat the edges in order to give one big membrane, of course, to keep the roof waterproof. The rest of the roof at a normal pitch is going to be dimensional shingles, also known as architectural shingles, the same type of shingles that you see on most new homes today. This home, on the exterior, of course, we've got low maintenance vinyl, replacement windows. This home is heated and cooled with a 3.5-ton heating and air system, and it works really well. I was just in the home, and the air is really pumping nicely. One of the things that really makes a good rehabber stand out is the extras that they do, and I'm going to point out several of these. I'm not really going to need to point them out because you're going to see for yourself. I'm in rehab properties all the time. You guys are spoiled because you see some of the best here in the Metro Richmond area as far as rehab properties, but this one, not only is the rehab well done, but the staging also stands out as well. Hats off to whoever did the staging on this beautiful home. I'm going to give you a shot here from the front porch. Great place to sit out here. You could easily get 4 or 5 rocking chairs out here with no problem and enjoy a nice day like today. All right, one of the things from here, the exterior, we've got wainscoting here on this overhang, which is kind of neat. I'm going to mention the roof, or the ceiling rather, again here in a moment. Sometimes these little details will definitely stand out. As we come in, this is pretty unusual. This is kind of a foyer area. We've got plenty of light here. You can see we've got windows all over, and notice they put in a black ceiling. Really neat touch. Not something we commonly see, but I think it works really well. Look at those gorgeous refinished floors. We're going to pass through into our family room, and notice this wall. Nothing but light flows in. If that weren't enough, we do have recessed lighting and designer lights as well here throughout this beautiful home. To the left is going to be our bedroom wing. We're actually going to start over here in that bedroom wing. This is going to be one of 3 secondary bedrooms, and this is the largest. This is the size that we would typically expect for primary. So we've got a great space here. This would be great if someone needed a home office. You could be right here at the front. Plenty of space here for office furniture, or it could be a large guest bedroom. Plenty of closet space. We've got one there, and closet number 2 right here. So great use of space here in this home. All of these bedrooms do have remote control for the ceiling fan, which is another nice touch. We're going to make a left here and go down our bedroom wing. To the left is going to be bedroom number 2. Once again, great ceiling height in here. That's something that we see in these older homes that you're not going to get in new construction. Closet number 1 and closet number 2. Now, speaking of 2 closets, extremely rare to get 2 closets in a secondary bedroom in an older home. You are lucky if you get one tiny 3.5-foot closet, let alone 2 of them. So very nice touch. Continuing down our bedroom wing, here to the left is going to be bedroom number 3. This is going to be the most conservative of the 3. We've got the double doors here for this one. Great space. This location is convenient to Rockets Landing. Rockets Landing is a development where we've got all types of condos, townhomes, restaurants. There's some office space there, a marina, and it's just being developed here to a great extent over the last few years, very rapidly. The development's going on for a while, but it's just really had a boom here in the last several years. Look at this. My goodness, you guys, gold is coming back for fixtures. So this rehabber knew what they were doing. They just didn't pick something out that was inexpensive. They are following the trends and they know exactly what they're doing. Speaking of knowing what they're doing, they must have known that I was coming, not only with that head, but here we go. Head number 2, detachable. This head here will get all the nooks and crannies, ladies and gentlemen. Just a fabulous benefit. If you don't enjoy the best in shower technology, trust me, the people that live with you and that work with you, especially in the summertime, will appreciate it. Okay, here we are. This is our amazing kitchen. Oh man, where do we start? Okay, first of all, look at this stone table / island. We've got space here, 2, 4 seats right here. In addition, we pull the seat back, we have additional cabinet space underneath. You got good overhang there, plenty of space. If you were entertaining, boy, you could get a serious buffet style going on here. More cabinets here on this side. Here to the left is going to be our refrigerator. Now, one thing that is important about this rehab is my viewers sometimes ask about appliances. This one has every appliance. You are going to get refrigerator, dishwasher, range, washer, and dryer, all of them brand spanking new. Speaking of appliances, over here, look at this. We've got this range hood with the backsplash, tile backsplash, black and white motif, stone here on the countertop. Look at the space here as far as the countertop. It just wraps and goes on and on and on. And then, of course, you have the island to boot. So if you are a chef, even if you can't cook, you buy this house, you'll feel like you can cook because you'll have all the tools here of an amazing kitchen. It'll just probably inspire you to come up with something great in the kitchen. Or you could go out and buy something from a great restaurant and pretend like it's your own. Okay, now this space, this can go a couple of ways. This is set up now for dining, and it works well like that. However, I could see it if somebody just wanted to put a door here. Now you could turn this whole back space into kind of the owner's suite area because our primary bedroom is right there. So depending on your needs, how you want to set your home up, you can go either way. In this area here, if you did it as owner's suite, you could put TV, whatever you want, lounge space here right off the kitchen. Nice and convenient. Our back door is right here. We just saw the deck, of course, in the backyard. Speaking of appliances, here we are. We have our dedicated laundry room with its own window. We've got cabinets overhead. Just a really nice touch. Now, this is neat. They put this light fixture in. I don't know how old you are, but I remember as a child seeing these old style light fixtures, and that kind of pays homage to a different era. Okay, let's now take a look at our primary bedroom, which is going to be here directly in the middle of the frame. Wow, this is impressive. Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is our primary bedroom. Once again, the remote control for the fan, and of course, what primary would be a primary without a nice size closet? We've got a walk-in closet here. I love the charcoal-like floors, charcoal-colored floors that they use throughout, keeping with that black, white, and gray color scheme. Just very well done. Okay, we are now in our primary bath. And look at that. They did an amazing job in here as well. Look at the tile that they used. I'm happy they didn't just come in and throw any old builder grade tile in this home. They could have just played it really safe and gone with something, well, be honest, they could have gone with something boring. And this house is everything except boring. Look at this right overhead. I'm just kind of at a loss for words. You guys know I don't often stutter or have nothing to say, but just looking, you're gonna come in here with me. We're gonna spend a little time in this shower, just kind of taking it all in. I love the black. I imagine this is probably easier to keep clean too with this black tile. And remember, you do have a tub that's in the hallway bath. So I know some of you love to have your tub, but you still have it in this home. And the great thing about it is you've got all this style, all of this amazing renovation for not a whole lot of money when you look at what some of the renovated homes are going for here in the marketplace. So I am happy to bring this to you. I really had no intention of coming out and videoing anything, but when I saw this, I had to move. They are going to be reviewing offers tomorrow. So it's important in today's market to move and to move quickly. And that's definitely something that I embrace. And we don't play around. My dad told me once in the league, Max, you can't steal in slow motion. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. Can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please let me know how you like this house. Give me some feedback on it. Make sure you subscribe and smash that notification button so you don't miss any future videos. 804-402-7788. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.